Here's the easiest way I know how to attach two lines together. Okay, I got a white line here and a green line here. So what we gotta do, it's basically just two clinch knots together. Take one line, make a loop, flip it 4 times, twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the end of the line, bring it down through the bottom loop. Then the loop you just made, you bring it back through that loop. And hold the bottom, pull from the bottom loop, and you see you're starting to tighten the noose. Don't tighten it all the way, just leave that loop like that. Then put the other line through it and do the same thing. Put it through that loop. Just let go of the opposite line that you just made the loop, that you made the knot in, and flip this one 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it down. I'll try that. 3, 4. Bring it down through there. Attaching any two lines is always difficult, but this is one of the easier ways to do it. Okay, then what you want to do is you can take some chapstick and lube the lines, or just wet them with your mouth, with your tongue or whatnot, and just slide them together. Okay, pull all 4 lines tight. That's it, and it ain't gonna break. Trim the ends off. That's it. Alright, hope you like it. Check out my other knots and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.